Hi guys, welcome to Zandrake's World and we're here for another unboxing. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get updates on our upcoming videos. And don't forget to also follow our social media accounts in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. Alright, so dito na naman tayo, mag-unbox na naman tayo. So kita nyo, dito na naman si Jollibee. So it's the Jollibee Kids Meal. So today is December 3. Naglabas sila ng mga bagong Jollibee Kids Meal items as of December 1st. And hindi ko pa na-unbox until now kasi I've been busy. I went to the dentist and I sound funny. I may sound not too great with my pronunciation right now because of I still have some dental work. But right now, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these new items that we have from Jollibee Kids Meal. Alright, so bibili ito sa Jollibee stores. So ito, ang release nilang bago ay Jollibee Kids Meal Jolly Watch. Alright, so this is the first item that we're gonna be unboxing. At ito, kitang-kita nyo naman siya ay si Jollibee. Alright, so tingnan natin muna yung box. Okay, your Jolly best friend. It's always a joyful time with Jollibee by your side. Ayan. So natin maraming mga bata ang nagmamahal kay Jollibee. So malamang sa malamang maubos agad itong watch na ito. At 5 items nga pala itong nirelease nila this month. So if my guess is right, so from December, another 2 months, 2 to 3 months before mag-release nila ng bago. Siguro mga February na or March na ulit sila mag-release. Okay, so but if things changes like it goes back to what it was before, so hopefully mag-release na ulit sila ng mga items every month kasi they have been releasing every few months simula na nag-pandemic. Okay, so alright, so let's start unboxing this. So naikot na natin siya. This is the warning. Ito yung Jolly Watch. This is the front box. Okay, top box, and then there's the instructions on how to adjust time and hand position. Okay, so the usual, yung mga relo na hinihugot lang, and then you have to rotate the dial. Alright, so let's unbox this one. So wow, may tape ito. Okay, may tape siya. Bakit may tape? Okay, so Jollibee, hindi sila, parang hindi kayo masyado secured sa inyong box, so you had to put a tape. Ano ba, hindi ba kasya? Masyadong bulky ang laman, pero yeah, okay naman sige, buksan na natin. Okay, madali nga lang buksan. Okay, so ito na nga, buksan na natin. Here's the first item. Okay, here's Jollibee, and meron din siyang instructions. Okay, tingnan muna natin to. Ayan. Okay, so your Jolly best friend. So it's always a joyful time with Jollibee by your side. So same lang yung nakalagay dito. And then sabi dito, collect the whole Jolly Watch squad. Okay, so Jollibee Joy Watch, Hetty Cheer Watch, Popo Sports Watch, Twirly Star Watch, and Yum Builder Watch. Okay, so meron na tayong preview ng ating mga ina-expect. Okay, learn to tell time. Okay, so pang ano talaga to, very useful for the kids. So if they haven't been taught about the about telling time, so this is a manual, so you can read it to them, show it to them, so that they have something as a guide so they can tell time. So siguro my kid is 8 years old, so marunong na siya ng digital kasi puro digital na ngayon, but it's best to know how to tell it the classic way. So the hour hand, or the short hand, then the minute hand or the long hand. Okay, so 10, yan, kita nyo yan, marunong naman tayo lahat magbasa ng oras, tama? Okay, so dito, yan, mga characters. So merong 5 watches. Okay, so as what was shown in that guide. Okay, so ito yung first item. So this is Jollibee. Okay, ito natin. So ito. Tingnan natin. Oh, yun yung parang lock. And of course, like any other watch, yan siya. Yan. This Jollibee. Okay. Right. Yan, ganda, no? Meron siyang mga engravings ng Chicken Joy. Sa Chicken Joy. Kasi wala namang pagkaing B. Jollibee. More Chicken Joy. Pero, merong character dati ng Jollibee na si Chiki na nagre-represent ng mga Chicken Joy. So, sadly, hindi na siya ganong ka-popular. Hindi na siya masyado pinopromote ni Jollibee. Okay, buksan natin to. Kaya si Jollibee na daw ang bahala sa inyong Joy. Chicken Joy. Okay, so yan. Nakita nyo dito merong lock. Yan yung lock para hindi mo na gumana yung watch. Kasi kapag nakahila yan, hindi yan tatakbo. Pero once na ma-push mo yan once mo na ibaon mo na yan, gagana na yan. Okay, tanggalin natin yung lock. Alright, ito, set your time. So, anong oras na ba? Parang 2 o'clock in the morning pa lang. 2 o'clock, 2:30, not sure. Yan, parang ganyan. So, how you set it? Medyo gumagalaw yung second hand, yung third, yung puti na hand. Okay, so ito yung minute. This is the hour, minute, and seconds. Yung maliit na red is your hour hand, and then yung long hand is for the minutes, and then the white hand is for the seconds. Okay, so pag pinindot mo yan, kunwari 4 o'clock na, push it here. There you go. So umanda na siya. Ayan, so ganyan na kasimple ang Jollibee watch. Okay, then you close mo siyang ganyan. Yeah, hear it pop. And yun, naka-stuck na siyang ganyan. Then you open it again para tingnan yung oras. Ayan, so very good. Kasya kaya sa akin to. Okay, kasya naman. So i-shoot mo na lang siya dito sa isang mga butas na to. Kasya kaya? Parang hindi. Parang pang kids lang talaga siya. So, okay, hindi ko na ipipilit. Okay. But, yan, ganun siya. So, susuot mo siya dito. And then, you lock it sa isa sa mga butas na to. Parang kaya hindi kasya kasi nga hindi pa butas. So, butasin mo na lang siguro, no? Okay. Okay, but anyway, that's it. So, open it. Balik natin yung lock. Because we're not gonna use it yet. I'm gonna we're just unboxing. Okay. Okay, hindi natin siya may balik, so later na lang, okay? But there you go, that's Jollibee. And then we move on to the next item. Okay, so here's our next item. So, ito naman, Icy Twirly. Okay, so let's check the box. Seems it's purple. Ayan. So, yung designs. So, baba, may warning. Of course, may tape na naman silang nilagay. Okay. Naka-tape talaga para secured. Okay, so this is, again, the instructions. And ito na si Twirly. And then, ang sabi sa taas, malamang hindi yung mababasa natin sa loob, may yung guide. Your energetic superstar. It's showtime all the time when Twirly shines video. Alright. Wow. Great. Okay. So, let's unbox this one. Okay, tanggalin natin to. Sana hindi masyadong madikit yung kanilang scotch tape para hindi masayang, hindi masira ang box. Okay, medyo kasi maluwag ang kanilang pagkaka-pack nitong mga watches, kaya siguro may tape. Okay, yan, nabuksan na natin. Okay, let's pull it out of the box. Okay, there's Twirly. Twirly. And this one, yeah, the same thing. Okay, except that si Twirly yung nakalagay dito sa paper. Okay, same. Your energetic superstar. Alright, and ulit yung watches in different order naman yata siya. Parang tamba, different order naman. Okay. Alright, so buksan natin tong twirly. Okay. Ano nga tawag sa kanya? Yung kay Jollibee is yung Jollibee Joy Watch. This is the the Twirly Star Watch. Okay, Twirly Star Watch. Okay. Natin. Okay, nasa yung star? Okay, siguro ang star kasi ito ditong headband niya. Okay, so yan yung mukha ni Twirly. And yung design dito. Okay, may parang headset, music notes, clef, and everything. But ito, iba-iba yung butas. Yung Jollibee is isa lang yung butas. Yeah, you can work it out. Yung butasin nyo na lang. Okay, so ganyan siya. Tingnan natin yung loob. Buksan natin. Ayan, okay, so purple. Medyo maluwag lang tong ganito. Parang maluwag to. Okay, but yeah, there you go. There's Twirly, and there's the design. So, yung kay Jollibee, red yung hands. Sa kanya naman is sky blue, and a white is for the white hand for seconds. Alright, so hindi ko na siya i-demo ng ano. Ay, pero tingnan natin kung gumagana, no? Yun nga, demo na nga natin. Mamaya hindi ko lang gumagana. So kakaputol ko lang ng aking kuko. Hindi ko matanggal. Ayan. So pindutin natin. There you go, it's working. Alright, great. So yan na siya. Okay. So yan, bagay ito sa mga girls, mga kids na girls. Okay. Of course, medyo open na tayo kung ano bang gender ng anak mo. Anong trip nila. Okay, pili mo na. Alright, there you go. So ito na si Twirly. And then, we will move on to the next toy. Or the next watch. Okay, so for our next item, so dito naman si Yum. Okay, so green and blue, lagi ang color ni Yum. Yan, blue yung ditong side na to. Ayan. Green dito sa side na to. Green. And yung ibabaw, sabi ay, your brainy science whiz. Anytime is a great time for discovery with Yum, making learning fun. Okay. So tanggalin na natin tong scotch tape nila dito sa taas. Okay. Dahan-dahan. Para hindi masira. Alright, there you go. Buksan na natin. Dahan-dahan. Okay. Yan. Okay, so ano ang pangalan ng watch ni Yum? Okay. Yum Builder Watch. Okay, so builder. Builder siya. Naalala ko yung toy na parang may gears. Yung engineer, ano ba yun? Yung Achievers na Jolly Kiddie Meal. So, yun. Ito naman. Builders naman siya. Builder's watch. Isa ito si Yum. Okay. So, yan. Oh, tama. Oh, yung gears. Yan yung nandun sa may Jollibee, ano. Yung Little Achievers. Okay, buksan natin. Ayan, oh. Yan yung design niya. May engravings ng gears. Okay. Yan, ang ganda ng color niya kasi blue. Alright, so tingnan natin. Buksan natin dito. Oops, medyo matigas siya. Na-stuck yata. Na-stuck yung ano. Oops, ayan. Okay. Ayan, Yum. Then there's the watch. Oh, medyo madumi. Medyo gasgas ah. Okay. Parang may plastic pa yata siya dito. Pwede mo tanggalin na yan, no? May plastic pa yan, tanggalin mo. Kung ano. Parang di naman siya gasgas pala. Medyo may scratches lang yung pinaka-plastic. Tanggalin natin. Oh, it's working. Okay. Ayan, so ang ganda, diba? Green and blue yung kay Yum. Alright. Okay, so there you go. That's for Yum, the builder's watch. Okay, so we'll move on to the next item. Okay, so for our next item, ito na ang okay, si Hetty. Okay, so Hetty, laging pink yan si Hetty. Ayan. Alright, so pink siya all over. Light pink and then pink. Alright, so yan. Jolly watch. Same lang ng mga design. And then the warning sa ilalim. And the instructions on the back. Walang different. Sa ibabaw, your bubbly cheerleader. So every moment's a cheer-tastic time with Hetty lighting up your day. Alright, so nasa na ang iyong mahiwagang scotch tape. Okay, tanggalin na natin para ma-unbox na kita. Oh, kasama yung scotch tape. Tanggalin natin, tanggalin. Dahan-dahan, huwag mo bibiglayin kasi sumasama yung papel minsan. Yan, yan lang. Okay, throw that away later. Okay, so buksan na natin. Medyo mahirap ka buksan ha. Okay, there you go. So si Hetty. Alright, yan si Hetty. Ang pangalan, nalupi, sayang. Kaya ang watch niya ay Hetty Cheer Watch. Okay, so same lang, your bubbly cheerleader. Every moment's a cheer-tastic time with Hetty lighting up your day. Alright, so na yung pang-apat. So patapos na tayo. Alright, so pakita na natin si Hetty. Diba ang itsura ng kanyang watch. So ng design. Okay, so buksan natin yung strap. Okay, very pink. Oh, so may mga ribbons. Yung yung ipit ni Hetty. Yung mga ribbons kasi siya sa ulo, diba? Yan si Hetty. Alright. Okay, siyempre si Hetty, her name came from the spaghetti. Kaya ang buhok niya dati, nakita mo may parang natapunan ng spaghetti sauce dati yung buhok ni Hetty yung sinaunang design. Pero ngayon ito na siya, ribbon, blonde ribbon, nilinis na nila yung buhok niya. But there you go, this is the design sa loob. So parang itong malaking ribbon tong design niya, yung naka-curve. Ayan, tanggalin natin to ulit. Then let's push the button. Oh, ayun, akala ko hindi gumana. Ayun, gumana siya. Ayan, there you go, so it's working. Okay, so maganda. Ay, yung ano niya pala, yung naka-lock niya is red. Okay, alright, so that is the Hetty Cheer Watch. Alright, then we move on to our next item. Okay, so for our final item, habang bising naman yung aeroplano sa sky, kung naririnig nyo, ito ay si Popo. Okay, so blue ang kanyang color, sky blue, and then blue, light blue. Okay, yan. Yung likod, yung gilid, Jolly Watch, warning sa ilalim. Okay, and of course sa ibabaw, ayan, your adventurous athlete. So it's always game time with Popo, bringing sporty fun. Alright, so buksan na natin. Ooh, pangit na to rin ang box. Na-scratch na. Wala kasi yung kuko nagano ko kagugupit ko lang ng kuko ko. Kaya medyo struggle. Ayan. There you go. Alright. Okay, tanggalan natin. And this is the final item na i-unbox natin for this Jollibee Kids meal. Let's open it carefully. Okay, Popo. May pangalan pala dito. Okay, hindi ko napansin. Alright, tanggalan natin siya. Okay, instructions na. Same instructions. So, pangalan ng kanyang watch ay Popo Sports Watch. Okay. Again, your adventurous athlete. So it's always game time with Popo bringing sporty fun. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Alright, and tingnan natin yung watch. Tingnan natin. Okay, yun naman ang the iconic visor na nakabaliktad. Alam nyo ba dati yung ulo nito, price yung buhok niya, di ba? Parang yung lalagyan ng price is nakasuk, yun yung pinaka-cap niya dati. Yun yung sinaunang design ni Popo. Alright, so buksan natin. Yellow yung kanyang, oh may ball. It's a ball. Ayan, laging siyang ball. Ball yung design ni Popo. Hindi football, ayan, may soccer, volleyball. Ayan siya. Football ba yan? Volleyball. Soccer. Okay, so ayan. Okay, buksan na natin to. Ayan si Popo. Blue. Oh. Anong kakaiba yung medyo yung scratches sa likod. Okay, buksan natin. Alright. Yan, nakalagay. Popo. Ay, ang ganda naman ng loob niya. Yung mga ano ba to? Lines. Okay, pero yan, visible naman yung numbers. Okay, so again, meron lang siyang cover kaya medyo malabo siya. Ayan, may mga bubbles. Tanggalin nyo na lang. Then, tanggalin natin to, yung lock. Then, let's push the button. Ayun, may delay lang. Okay, so gumagana naman yung watch. Alright, so napakaganda ng kanilang items. Alright, so and that is Popo sports watch. Okay, so let's see all of them once again. So, lagyan sila dito. So this is Popo. Okay, si Popo. Right, and then si Hetty. Okay, and then si Jollibee. Ayan, sa gitna si Jollibee. Okay, and then si Twirly. There you go. Then lastly, ayan si Yum. Okay, so there you go. Kompleto na ang ating ang ating watches. So yan guys, so thank you so much for watching our unboxing videos. So hindi ko lang siya masuot kasi hindi siya kasya sa akin, pero there you have it. Ganyan siya kaganda. So iba-iba yung mga characters ng bawat box. Kung hindi nyo siya ginagamit, balik nyo lang yung lock. Gaya ng ginawa ko. Yan. Okay, so again, this is Yum Builder watch, then Twirly's Star watch, then Jollibee's Joy watch, and then Hetty Cheer watch, and then Popo sports watch. Okay, so yun siya. So thank you so much for watching our unboxing video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Hendrix World, and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga upcoming videos. And again, don't forget to follow our social media accounts in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. Okay? So thank you so much for watching guys. So hanggang sa muli. Bye!